Imagine you wake up in the morning, check your phone, and see notifications of sales pouring in from your own Shopify dropshipping store, all while you're asleep. There's no boss to answer to, no office to rush, just a business that runs on your terms, generating income 24 by 7. Sounds too good to be true. Well, in 2024, this isn't just a fantasy. It's reality that you can start building right now with Shopify dropshipping. In this video, I am going to take you on an exciting journey into the world of Shopify dropshipping, where the barriers to entry are low, but the potential rewards are sky high. Whether you're a student looking to make extra cash, or a housewife eager to start something new, or a professional dreaming of financial freedom, this Shopify dropshipping tutorial is your roadmap to success. And here's the kicker. You don't need any inventory, warehouses, or even prior experience to get started with Shopify dropshipping. I'll walk you through every step from creating your Shopify dropshipping store to finding trending products and finally turning those products into profit. By the end of this video, you won't just have an online store, but also have the foundation of a Shopify dropshipping business that could change your life.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before that, if you are interested to start a career in digital marketing, then check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in digital marketing in partnership with Purdue University. This course provides a robust and industry-relevant curriculum to help you become a certified digital marketing expert. The program covers essential digital marketing components like website creation, SEO, SEM, social media marketing, mobile marketing, content strategy, and many more. You'll gain hands-on experience through live interactive learnings, Stuken digital marketing simulations, case studies, and capstone projects. Additionally, you'll receive a Meta Certified Digital Marketing Associate exam voucher and a Hootsuite Certified Professional credential, further validating your expertise. So hurry up and enroll now and take your next step in your digital marketing journey. The course link is mentioned in the description box and in the pinned comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with setting up our Shopify store. To do this, first log into your Shopify website. So let me show you how to do so. Just search on Google Shopify and just click on the first link. Alright, just click on Start Free Trial. But before that, sign up with Google, choose your account and select Continue. So as you see, my name is over here. And I've created the password, so I'll simply log into my Shopify website. So this is your first interface of your Shopify website. To do this, the first window that pops here is where would you like to sell these items. So we will just click on Online Store and then click on Next. Which of the best describes you? So you can just click on I'm just starting. And here you can click on drop shipping products and get started. So which plan do you want to try? So these are the plans which you would need to buy. So initially we'll start with a free trial. So we'll just select on I'll decide later. Okay, so this is our interface of our Shopify website, as you can see. So starting a Shopify dropshipping journey begins with creating your store and importing products on Shopify. So in this video, I will show you how you can actually import your products and customize your dropshipping Shopify according to your product needs. So Shopify will first offer you a free trial to get you started. And the process is very simple. As you go through these steps, Shopify, I'll guide you in setting up your homepage, product pages, and the navigation menus. So this is the navigation bar you can see, and this is my store here. We'll just click on my store. So these are the stores I have created before. And okay, so I'll show you step-by-step process. So there are 8 processes to complete. First, you have to find products to sell, then add custom domain, customize your online store, and many options are there. So let's start with the first process, which is find products to sell. So this is our home application. These are the orders. We do not have any orders yet. So first, let's start with setting up our account. So I'll just click on Browse Product Sourcing Apps. Okay, so these are the drop shipping apps which you would need to connect. So our first step was to find products to sell. So we'll just click on browse product sourcing app, and you can see these are the drop shipping apps, but the apps we are finding is a different one. So we'll just click on Shopify App Store, and here you can import and find products to sell. So we will just search on this bar. We'll just search Ropso, ROPSO, Ropso Cloud Drop Shipping, and we'll just press enter. So as you can see here, we can see the Ropso Cloud Dropshipping. This is a good dropshipping application which you can connect it with your Shopify. So we'll just click on this, and you can see the features are mentioned over here. So you buy products, import products from this application and sell it in your Shopify app store. So it's free to install and additional charges may apply later. So we'll just click on install button here. So let's talk about what is Ropso Cloud Dropshipping. Ropso Cloud Dropshipping is a Shopify app that helps entrepreneurs to set up online stores and sell products across India. It's a partnership between Ropso's India first short video app and Shopify. The app offers a variety of features including product sourcing, management, order management, shipping, tracking, analytics, and many more. So, okay, so we have seen here, we'll just click on install. So this we have linked our Ropso Cloud with Shopify. We'll just click enter. And this is my Shopify store name. You can also change your store name according to your customization. So suppose I keep my name here as a brand new shop. Anything you can keep, and just click on submit. So I've created my store and linked it with Shopify here. So as you can see, Ropso Cloud X Shopify partnership with Shopify. So just check out the products they have. You can see in so less prices, we are getting this natural hair growth oil. So many things are there. So let's suppose I want to purchase this product. I'll just click here, and this is the product here. So I'm just getting it for rupees 190. So I'll just push it to Shopify, and here this is my shop name, and you can just keep the margin, the profit rates at how much price you're selling. Suppose I want to sell it for rupees 390. All right, so 200 is my margin rates, and I'll just push it to Shopify. Okay, so as you can see, I have pushed it to Shopify account. So we'll just go back to our store and we'll just refresh this. Okay, so we'll just click on this product option, and you can see our product is here. It's imported, natural hair growth oil, inventory, sales channel, markets, and the vendor name. Everything is here. So, okay. So for the collection, we do not have anything much. Just click on home page. Okay, I'll show you later how to do this, but for starting, let's just click on home. Okay, so we have learned how to, import products using different application like Ropso. There are many drop shipping apps available, each with its own strength. Some includes Modulus, S-Pocket, and many more. So they will allow you to browse through products, import them directly to your store, and automatically send order details to suppliers for fulfillment. So while choosing a dropshipping app, you consider factors like supplier location, shipping time. Connecting the right app to your store is very important for ensuring a smooth customer experience. So after connecting to dropshipping app, it's time to move on to the next step, which is add a custom domain. So you can actually add domain according to your need. We'll just click here, add domain. All right, so you can buy a new domain or connect as existing domain. So for the time being, we cannot just buy new domain. So we'll just let it be how it is, whatever it is. So, okay, we'll just click here as done. Because to buy a domain name, you need to go through a lot of more process. We'll explain it in our later video. So we'll just click on to the next step, which is customize your online store. So this is quite important. So let's check how we do this. Okay, so describe your product or brand. Suppose it's a hair care brand. Okay, hair care product. So we'll just write hair care product here and browse themes. Okay. So as you can see, you can customize. You have this option here to customize your website. I mean, how your Shopify store should look. So this is my store home catalog, and you can see so many options are here available. So you can also change your, this is our featured product which we are selling. So we can change the image in the image banner, and in the header section you can also write anything you want to. This is the header section bar, ad block, ad section. This is the announcement bar, and see so many options are there. For template, you can also change your template image banner. So we'll just click here. Browse buttons options are there. So just click on button to browse the latest products. So we can just write here, check out our latest products, and heading size you can keep it medium, and just click on save. Okay. I've just typed here wrong, so I'll just write latest and just click on save here. Alright, you can customize according to your personalized, however you want to make your website look more attractive. And announcement bar is there, so whatever you want to write, it's written welcome to our store. If you want to change it, you can. So you can see, you can explore free images here, and suppose like I want to keep any images from here. Suppose this image, I'll just click here and select. So these are so many options available here according to your need. So you can just customize it whatever, however you feel like. So we'll just move on to our next. We'll just check out the next options. So now we have know how to customize your online store. The next step is to name your store. So you can just name your store whatever you want to name. Suppose hair care, and just click on save option here. Alright, so after doing this step, we'll just go to, you can see these are the store details here. The billing address is set to India, and that's it. So we'll just move on to our next option. So we have named our store. You can just check out the shipping rates available. So just click on set shipping rates, and you can create your own shipping rates according to your needs. And you can also check the expected delivery dates, all of these things. Local routing, local delivery, pickup in store, delivery customization option is available here. So I mean, for this you have to connect your Shopify app store and install some applications. So these are the options available here, and we'll just check out here the different users and permissions. So okay, your billing cycle is important. So after you finish up with your free trial, you need to buy the plan available. All right, so you have to also pay the per month annually charges for your Shopify, for using your Shopify app. And then you have payments option here. Just let's check what are the options available. So the supported payment options are PayPal, as you can see, and you can just automatically, when the entire order is fulfilled, you can, create your payment capture method. How do you want to pay, manually or after the checkout, according to your needs? And that's it. These are the options, and the checkout option is available here. Email, you can add your email and require customers to log into their account before checkout. So if you want your customers to log into their account after their checkout and capture their details, you can do that. And that's it. So these are the options. These options come after you create your account and set up your store. So we have now understood how to set our shipping rates. Just let's see how to pick a plan here. So we'll just check how to pick a plan. So these are the plans available. The most popular plan is 20 rupees per month. So you can see these are the credits they offer. For Shopify, for small teams, 20 rupees per month option is there. Advanced, plus, so many options are there. So you can just pick your plan however you want. So we have understood this option also. And the last is your setting up your payment provider. So let's see how to set up payments over here. So these are the payments provider. We have checked this out option previously, how to activate PayPal. So after you complete and setting up your store, particularly, you can just click on the payment provider option here. So these are only the step, and after doing all of these things, you can just place your test order here. So first you can just read by placing test order. You can make sure the checkout process is order processing. You can just check out the inventory methods, shipping, email notification, everything is correct or not. So that's it. These are the further taxes, the domains available. You can see from these options, from here only, from advanced setting option, you have to create policies also. See, return and refund policy. The no policy set because we haven't created any policy yet, but you can do that once you complete setting up your store. Then we have privacy, terms and conditions, shipping policy. So just let's see what are the options available here. So you can just text, any shipping policy you want, like refund system, till how many days that product should be available. So these are the shipping policy, and contact information also. You can provide contact. Return rules are off. You can just simply click on manage and just do your return rules, all of these things. So these are only the steps. How do we create our Shopify application? So these are the options which we have seen on how to enhance our customer support using Shopify inbox. And so you can see that Shopify offers a lot of tools available here to, you can explore SEO settings, create email marketing campaigns, and run social media ads to attract customers. So we have seen on how we have enhanced all the customization and creating website, buttons, and everything. And how do we, connect our Ropso cloud dropshipping in our Shopify. So that's it. We'll just select we have completed all our steps, and you can just place test order. That's it. We're just done and setting up our test guide. Okay. So these are the online store available. You can see these are the themes we have selected, and that's it. You can customize here. You have again the option of customization. We last saved 12 minutes ago. Blog post options are there. Marketing. You can, just click on marketing, how like previous period, how you have sell your products, the sales attributed to marketing, what is the average order value and the total sales. You can also click on the analytics option and check the total sales, the discounts available, gross sales, duties, how is your Shopify application growing, and you can just plan it accordingly. And the content option is also here. Customers, you can add import customers here, connect with the customers. Then products, whatever products you have. Right now we just have one product in our hand, but you can also add many products, whatever product you want to import in your Shopify application. And this is the order I have already told you. So we haven't placed any, we don't have any orders right now. So it's showing your orders will show here. And there we have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional Shopify dropshipping store ready to start making sales. The beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to run a business with minimal upfront investment, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different products and marketing strategies. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm excited to see what you create. Do not forget to hit the notification bell for more videos by Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.